watching, guys. I hope you love the video. Subscribe to King Dave Motorsports. Telling you what, you can come out and enjoy nature for just a couple of bucks. That's it. Register it in Wisconsin is $30 for every 2 years. Pretty cheap, guys. You don't know what you're missing out, guys. You can come around, you can check out just great nature. Nice public trails and parks all over the place. Coming down to the beautiful water. I was gonna do a shot, guys, but the battery's got juice. Kill switch is on, key is forward. Nothing. So I ain't getting juice, so I started at the battery. Followed my positive lead, looks good. Followed my negative lead. Get down to here and look what I discover. So, little trail fix here. I'm just gonna hold it to that and start her up. I think we're just gonna get her home now. I was gonna do some fun cuts, but hopefully you'll just enjoy some GoCam footage on the way here and some nature footage, guys. But let's see if this works. I'm going to hold it to here while I start it, making sure I'm not touching any open metal parts anywhere else. And there we go, that was the issue, guys. Turn the idle up a hair just to get her going. I'm going to try it one more time. And there she goes. You know you're going to run into issues on the trail, and you just got to know how to persevere and get through it. You know, you don't got to be upset. You know, it's usually a pretty simple fix. So I'm going to add a new attachment to the end of that wire when I get back to the shop. What up guys, King Dave here. Got the Chinese 90. Was out on the trail, went to start it, was getting nothing. The negative battery terminal ain't grounding, so I had to hold it. Had to hold it on there and get her started. Managed to bring it home. So now we're gonna fix that. We're gonna remove the old heat shrink, cut back the wire a little bit. Alright, so I got it on there. I'm gonna crimp it down. So we got her crimped on there, nice and snug, she ain't coming off. Put our bolt back in and tighten her down and we're good to go. Got her tightened down, let's give it a try. Go, she's running, guys. So that's all you need is a little bit of know-how and you can take care of any small problem for pennies. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me tell you, it's like the best $100 I ever spent on a machine right there.